In this video, I'm going to show you how to use QuickBooks Time. So first up, we have the time clock. So the time clock is where you will be clocking in to a customer. So for example, we have a customer and open up the project of that customer and just click on clock in and it will clock in your time for that customer. And here you will be selecting the service item of what you are clocking in. So for example, we have landscaping, and here you can select if it is billable or not. So this will determine if the time will be billed to the customer. So just click on yes, and then you can also add in notes for that customer. So if you're done with the project or your time, just click on clock out and it will clock out your time. You can also add in a manual time entry in the time entries tab right here, and here you will manually add your time. So just click on add time, and here you will select the customer uh, you are working for. Click on that customer and the service item that you are working for. For example, we have the landscaping and it is billable. So here you will be adding the total hours that you've worked for. So as an example, we've worked for 5 hours. Just click on save and it will automatically add it to the manual time card. So just click on save and that will be saved. Just close it. So now if you check on the reports and the payroll report, the time will be categorized in as a straight or regular or time off or overtime, double time, and you will see the total paid hours over here. So you can also see who's working. If you have the multiple team members, you can see there will be a list of members right here, and you will see if they are working or not. And you can also click on the map, which will show all team members location. And so that's about it. That's how to use QuickBooks Time. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.